Hi everyone, this is Carmen, and I will be talking about proxemics within communication today. And should we study proxemics is the central idea. What do you call James Bond when he's taking a bath? Bubble '07. Okay, I know cheesy parent jokes are overrated. But on the topic of bubbles, one bubble that isn't the pun of anyone's jokes these days is personal bubbles. So, on that note, we are going to cover what a personal bubble or proxemics, what com- as part of our nonverbal communication studies, the definition, and also its positive and negative effects of its usage. So, what is proxemics? It's the use of space and its effects on our actions, communications, and interactions. And we have four different styles or sections of these personal spaces or space usage. The first one would be intimate proxemics, would be a direct contact. So someone standing right next to you, you're in a relationship, or a friend that you can give a hug to. Personal space, that means the personal bubble, is arm's length, 1 to 4 feet. You want to be able to give somebody a handshake, but still have that distance in between each other. Social distance, which we're all aware of, and technically for the pandemic it's 6 feet, but in general it's 4 to 12 feet. And you want more distance between you and the other person. And then that lastly, it's the public space, and that's 12 to 25 or more feet. And that will be more of a just like it says public, so more like a concert, or let's say the airport, or a conference where there's more space between you and the person that your attention is on. And then proxemics also isn't just the space in general, but it's also the messages and signals that it conveys through nonverbal communication. So if you have your hand up, you know, at arm's length, you're saying stay back. So that communicates that message. And now that we have a better understanding of what proxemics actually is, we can explore a positive and a negative view of its use in communication. First, I'll start with the positive. The positive effect is that it fills a fundamental need. We not only need, like our book says, that we have a need for privacy. We also have a fundamental need to belong and also to be unique. In one of the research journals that I read was research regarding the use of seating arrangements to portray how seating arrangements can be used to fulfill those needs. And Zoe and Argo quote that the shape of the seating arrangement can prime for one of two fundamental needs, which, like I said, were a need to belong and a need to be unique. And that the consumers will be most favorable towards persuasion material that is consistent with the primed need. And then one of the negative effects of spatial usage is the perceived invasion of space. And this you can see like when someone is way too close, you're having an argument, and they come in your face, and that is an invasion of space. Another example is one of the research that the second research that I read was Remlin quotes that invading the territory and personal space of others is a sign of status within an organization. So this you can see attributes to like how higher ups have bigger offices and have secretaries that or assistants that will protect their space basically. So you can't just walk into their office, you have to make an appointment or you have to call or to announce that you're wanting to have communication with this person, and you can't just walk in. It's not acceptable or a norm within an organization. And so now that we've defined proxemics and taken a deeper look into a positive and negative effect of its usage, we can conclude that we can see that there is value in researching more about our use of spatial of proxemics in communication. Thank you.